Today I want to try this mermaid curler, I think it's called. I have done a little bit here so you get an idea of what it does look like. I got this from eBay for like £9, including delivery, so really good. So I don't know how long this will last, but anyway, I have it on 180. I put some heat defense spray on it, and let's have a look. So I don't want to go all the way to the top, so I start in the middle here, and I only want 5 seconds because I don't want really strong curls. I just want really more like a wave, and that's what you get. So really like almost like beach wavy hair. So let's try here. So not too high, more like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like it a lot. A lot. And it's so easy. And then I just run my fingers through it. Be careful with this one, especially when you go near the neck. It burned me quite badly. Use it with caution. The back might be a little bit more tricky, however, it is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it gives really nice waves that are not too much. So I hope you found this useful for everyone who wants to know. This is the Yara wig by Wille in the color Sandy Blonde Rooted. So obviously if you have wigs like me, you can just take it off, put it on a canvas head and then style it there. But especially the back, that makes it much easier. But I just want to show you, if you still have your own bio hair, how this works. So let me know if you found this useful. Please like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so, please follow me on Instagram at kwearswigs. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.